So in this video, I will be showing you guys how to install the crease protector. As you can see here, it's very simple, very easy. As you can see, I'm kind of going to take the crease protector out, where crease protector's out right now. Wow, they kind of jammed in the bag, ain't they? I finally got the crease protector out. As you can see, it comes with a pair of two, which means I can install these on two pairs of shoes. You have your left side, if you can zoom in. The good thing is they tell you which side of the shoe to go on. This is the left, and this is the right. So basically the reason they have left and right is because if you install this on your left shoe, right, you know where your big pinky toe at, it won't rub against the shoe protector as much. So as you can see, I have my left shoe here. It's a fresh pair of Air Force Ones, straight out the box. I'm gonna go ahead and install these crease protectors. As you can see, this is the left side. So I know one thing people say is you can take out the soles, but for me, I don't take out the soles. The reason for that is because you actually got to peel the soles off, and that just doesn't sit right with me. I don't know why. I just don't like peeling the soles off, and they supposed to be stuck there. So technically, you can really just put it in there. It's really no different. All you'll do is just get it in there. Make sure you stuff it all the way to the toe, all the way to the back if you can. I kind of got the gloves on, so I can't really tell. Yeah, I can tell it's back there. So once you stuff it, you can see it's pretty hard. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. That's pretty easy. See, pretty easy, pretty simple to do. I definitely will recommend crease protector, especially with people with new shoes or shoes you don't really bend too much or you don't want to bend too much. That'll definitely help. And here goes a tip for some people. If you look inside the shoe, just put the crease protector. You know where you take the soles off instead? Just stuck it like in the inside where the sole is at, like right on this part and on this end. That way, you don't really have to take the soles off. In my opinion, I feel like that's the best way to install it. But yeah, that's how you install the crease protector.